about all grass when I moved here 27 years ago, and the cherry blossom trees went here, so we planted those several years after I moved here. I had no idea we were going to do a cherry blossom festival, but we planted the trees, and as the trees grew, more and more people would gather at the other end of this drive to take photographs, and well, they eventually started inviting themselves onto the drive. One day we came home and there was a bride and a groom and a professional photographer on the drive, which we didn't mind, but it told us that there was a demand for this, so we decided we would open up the garden so people could come without fear of being chased. We thought if we do a few posters around the town and a bit of marketing, then we might get a few hundred people coming along. But no, we did none of that. We did no posters. We just did one Facebook post on somebody's Facebook, and we got 2,000 people.